To add a cleaning fee on Vrbo, start by logging into your Vrbo account and navigating to your property listing. Click on the property you want to add a cleaning fee to and select the Rates and Fees tab. In this section, you will see a list of available fees, including the cleaning fee option. Click on the Add Fee button and select Cleaning Fee from the drop-down menu. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to charge for the cleaning fee. This can be a fixed amount or a percentage of the total booking cost. When determining the amount of your cleaning fee, consider the size of your property, the number of guests it can accommodate, and the level of cleaning required. You should also research what other similar properties in your area are charging for cleaning fees to ensure you are competitive. Once you have entered the amount, you can choose how often the fee will be charged. You can charge the fee per stay, per night, or per guest. You can also set a minimum and maximum amount to ensure the fee is fair for both short and long-term stays. After setting up your cleaning fee, make sure to review and agree to Vrbo's fee policies. It is also important to clearly communicate your cleaning fee to potential guests by including it in your property description and house rules. By following these steps, you can easily add a cleaning fee to your Vrbo property listing and ensure you are fairly compensated for the cleaning and maintenance of your property. It is also a good idea to regularly review and adjust your cleaning fee as needed to ensure it remains competitive and reflects the needs of your property.